This is going to be a product review of the Besgoods 4-pack. This is a 4-pack. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are wall chargers, USB wall chargers. You have the standard AC plug for the US, and then you've got your USB jack over there. So this is a quick charge 3.0 wall charger, 18 watt, fast charger, charging block compatible with wireless charger, Samsung Galaxy S9, S8, Note 8, 9, iPhone, iPad, LG, HTC 10, and more. Now the nice thing is, I did say it's got a USA plug, but the input is 100 volts, so 120 for US, or 240, so it will work on either one. These are great replacements for your OEM charger. You know, for what do these come out to? These are under $5 a piece. You can't beat that. Years ago, something like this would cost $20. A year ago, something like this would cost $15, $20. Now you can pick it up for about $4 or $5 a piece. So the description is 3.0 wall charger, fast charger. QC 3.0 device is 4 times faster than conventional charger. Charges from 0 to 70 in about 45 minutes. Also backward compatible with QC 2.0 and the non-quick charge technology at 2.4 amps. So note, does not support quick charge on the iPhone series devices. The charging speed may vary based on your phone device. So you might run into a little bit of a problem with the iPhone, but Android, Android, you're going to be good. Compatible with all quick charge devices, QC3, QC2, QC1, what else? Fireproof material. It's got some stuff in there for overheating and smart IC technology to maximize charging efficiency with the quick charge. So, you know, why did I buy these things? I've got my quick charge that I just got from Samsung for the phone. You buy that from Samsung, it costs about $30 if you buy it. It's about $4 or $5 a piece. And you get 4 of them in a package. These don't burn out. Things like this don't burn out, but if one burns out, you have 3 others. But why did I get this? Because I do so much work in different rooms of the house, by the bathroom counter, kitchen counter. I've got video cameras that I need to charge up constantly for my YouTube channel. I've got battery backups. I've got 2 cell phones. I've got flashlights, charging for the lights on my bicycle. So, you know, a lot of us, we have one charger and we go and we swap out plugs and it's a hassle. Go out and buy this thing. Company's name is Besgoods. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description. And there are others out there. I mean, there's no doubt. I did my shopping online to look, and there are some of these that sell for $20. And I know you get what you pay for, but some of these are selling for $20. And they're also the quick charge, so you're buying the name. You're definitely paying for the name. And instead of buying one for $20, why not buy 4 of them for about $16? And I'm looking right now, there's even a coupon. You can click on that and get 5% off of the 16. So I'm happy. You pull this little protective coating off if you want. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is, plug it in, and I just bought my Galaxy 10. Check out my channel. I did some comments and reviews on that. And I'm going to be using this for my Galaxy 10 and for my cameras that I'm recording with right now. Make sure you buy it. It's awesome.